With the FIFA World Cup in full swing, I thought it would be fun to create and 3D print a Capybara striker, an elephant defender, and the World Cup trophy. To bring them to life, I will be using Hi3D. Let's start by creating a Capybara soccer player. To do that, I will enter a simple prompt: Capybara soccer player, full body, 3D printable, white background. Next, I need to choose an image generation model. I will go with Nano Banana 2. I will also generate 4 different images to have a few options to choose from. And just a few seconds later they are ready. This one looks great. This one is also really nice. But after generating a few more variations, I decided to go with these designs, inspired by the famous Canarinos colors. Since I want the final model to have as much detail as possible, I will select quality mode and generate the model. And a few moments later, it's done. The Capybara turned out fantastic. It has plenty of detail, great proportions, and it already looks ready for printing. Now it's time to show you one of my favorite Hi3D features: split for printing. This feature is incredibly useful for 3D printing, because it automatically splits large models into smaller printable parts. That makes printing much easier, lets you print individual pieces in different colors, reduces the amount of support material, and give you much more flexibility when printing bigger models. Another feature I really like is the auto connector generator. Instead of gluing everything together, Hi3D automatically creates connectors for every part. Once everything is printed, you can simply assemble the model like a puzzle. Now it's time to download the model, import it into the slicer, make a few adjustments, paint the model, and finally start printing. Now it's time to create our second player, a giant elephant defender. Nice. Something doesn't look quite right here. And after generating a few more variations, I finally settled on this one. This model looks absolutely incredible. The level of detail is amazing, and it's exactly the kind of result I was hoping for. Just like before, I will split the model into printable parts and automatically generate the connectors. If you don't want to spend time arranging all parts on the build plate yourself, you can use Smart Arrangement. It automatically positions and optimizes the parts for printing, saving you quite a bit of time. Okay, let's print it. We have two team captains. It's time to create something they can compete for. The trophy. This design looks the best, so let's turn it into a 3D model. And here it is. It looks fantastic. It's very close to the real World Cup trophy while still being perfectly printable. I will make a few final adjustments in the slicer. And let's start printing. And here they are, our Finnish World Cup team. An African elephant defender, a Brazilian capybara striker, and of course the trophy they are fighting for. If you want to try Hi3D, use my code to get 500 free credits. Also, check out their first year mega sale with up to 80% off. You will find the link and code in the description.